Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you again for joining me for this week's CVS haul. I would like to say welcome to anyone watching my video for the first time. I hope you enjoy it and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share the video. If you have any question whatsoever, leave it in the comment section and I'll make sure I get to it. First deal I'll be doing will be on the Oral-B. Is buy one get $3 back and it's a limit of 2, so I will max this deal and end up getting $6. I'll pick up 2 of the Oral-B indicator toothbrush 2 counts priced at $5.19. This is actually the cheapest in my store. Both of them will come up to $10.38. We have a $2 app coupon everybody received today, but mine wasn't attaching to this, so I'm just going to use my extra care box. And I will also submit my receipt to Ibotta to get $2 back on each one of them. And the Ibotta rebate is also a limit of 3. Let me go check out and I'll be back with my receipt. I'm back with my receipt. As you can see, I used $10 extra care box and 13 cents with those little extra care box we have. I paid 25 cents out of pocket and I got back $6. And I also submitted my receipt to Ibotta and I got back $2 on each toothbrush, making it $4 back total. This whole transaction ended up being just 19 cents for each one of them, or 38 cents for both. The next deal I'll be doing will be on the Colgate toothpaste. It's on sale for 2 for $7.98, and when you buy 2, you get $5 back. And this is a limit of 2. I'll be picking up 2 of the Colgate Optic Whites, and I'll use a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. I got one last week, and I also received one this week. And we all received another $2 off of one in case you want to use that. But I'll be using 2 of the 3 off of 2. Both of them will double dip and take off 6, leaving me to pay $1.98. And I'll get $5 back, making both items free and a $3.02 money maker. But I have a 4 off of 40 next purchase CRT I received at the end of my receipt that I'll be adding to this transaction. So let me go pick up more items to be able to get to 40. The next deal I'll be adding to this transaction will be on the Love Beauty and Planet. It's on spend 15, you get $10 back. This is actually a very good deal and a very easy deal if you have the BOGO coupon. I'll pick up 2. It's priced at $8.99 for both of them, for one of them. Both of them will come up to $17.98. And the BOGO coupon will take off $8.99, leaving me to just pay $8.99 and get $10 back, making both free and a $1.01 money maker. But I'll be adding this to the 4 off of 40 next purchase CRT to make it even a better deal. Next deal I'll be adding to this transaction will be on the Dove body polish. It's part of the buy one get one half off, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. It's priced at $11.79, so one will be full price and the second one will be $5.90. Both of them will total me $17.69. I have a $3 coupon from 129 savings set, and today will be your last day to use it if your store accepts expired coupon. I also received a $3 email CRT for facial care or body cleansing products. When all the coupons apply, I end up paying $8.69 and I'll get $3 back, making both items just $5.69 or $2.85 each. These are all the items I'll be picking up in this transaction. So let me go check out and I'll be back with my receipt to see how everything worked out. I'm back with my receipt and everything worked out great. All the coupons, everything came off as expected. All my CRT worked out. The 3 off of 2 Colgate, both of them double dipped and came off. I ended up using $15.12 extra care box and I paid just 53 cents out of pocket. And I got back my $3 for buying 2 of the Dove body polish. Got back $5 for buying 2 of the Colgate toothpaste and also a $10 back for doing the Love Beauty and Planet. This whole transaction ended up being free and a $2.35 money maker. The next deal I'll be picking up will be on the spend 20, you get $5 back. And I'll be picking up those Febreze products on sale for $3.94. I'll be picking up 5 and 5 of them will come up to $19.70, which is within the 98% rule. I'll use this $2.50 off of one coupon we got in our 129 savings set. I'll be using 3 of those, and everybody received another $3.30 off of 2 in our app. That will also take care of 2, and the 3 paper coupons I'm using will take care of the other 3. If I'm doing this deal by itself and all the coupons apply, I will end up paying just $9.50 and I'll get $5 back, making all these items just $4.50 or 90 cents each. But I have an 8 off of 40 email CRT that I'll be using with this. To be able to get to 40, I'll be adding the Garnier Fructis deal to this transaction. It's on sale for 2 for $8, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. I'll pick up one of the shampoo and one of the conditioner, and I'll use a 3 off of 2 paper coupon I got from coupons.com, and everybody received another 3 off of 2 that will double dip and take off 6. By itself, you just pay $2 and get $2 back, making both items free. To reach 40 to be able to use the $8 off, I'll pick up the CoverGirl deal as well, and it's on buy 3 you get $10 back, and this is a limit of 1. I'll pick up 3 of the brow pencils priced at $5.79 each, which will bring it up to $17.37. I'll use 3 of the $3 off coupon we all received in our 2-5 savings set, and everybody received another instant CRT. I received 4. That would bring it down to $4.37, and I'll get $10 back, making all 3 items free and a $5.63 money maker. I'm back with my receipt. As you can see, all the items I picked up, everything that I said I'm going to pick up, everything worked out fine. All the coupons are applied. All the CoverGirl coupons came off. The Febreze coupon came off as well, including the digital coupon. I used the 8 off of 40 next purchase CRT I received in my email, used only a $7 extra care box, paid 87 cents out of pocket, and I got $5 back for the spend 20 get 5, and also $10 back for the CoverGirl for buying 3 of the CoverGirl, and the last extra care box is $2 for buying 2 of the Garnier Fructis. And with this whole transaction, it ended up being free and a $9.13 money maker. I hope you score as well. This concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next week. Bye-bye.